Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of June 30th, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Asteroid Day. Asteroid Day is an event observed on 30th June to provide online education about the asteroid. So if you are interested on asteroids, please go through the website. The first question is, who was nominated for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award from Indian hockey team? And the options are A. P.R. Srijesh, B. Deepika, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Whereas first recipient of the award was chess Grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand in 1991-92. In 2001, Abhinav Bindra became the youngest recipient of the award at the age of 18. And the award comprises a medallion, certificate and cash prize of 25 lakhs. And the second question is, who was ranked as world's #1 in men's flyweight category 52 kilos? And the options are A. MC Mary Kom, B. Amit Pangal, C. Sumit Malik and D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is B. Amit Pangal. This is the second time that he is being ranked #1, whereas Mary Kom has been ranked 7th in her 51 kilos category. And the third question is, which of the following team won gold at Archery World Cup Stage 3 in Paris? And the options are A. Indian women's team, B. Australia team, C. Russia team and D. Brazil team. And the correct answer is A. India's women's team. Indian women's recurve team defeated Mexico in finals with 5-1. Deepika Kumara wins gold in the women's individual recurve event at the Archery World Cup Stage 3 in Paris. She won gold in the women's team and mixed team event as well. And the fourth question is, which country along with India launched the Tax Inspectors Without Borders? And the options are A. UAE, B. Bhutan, C. Japan and D. Nepal. And the correct answer is B. Bhutan. Tax Inspectors Without Border is a joint initiative of UNDP and OECD, whereas UNDP means United Nations Development Programme, founded on 22nd November 1965 and headquarters in New York City, and OECD means Organization from Economic Cooperation and Development, reformed in 1961 and headquartered in Paris. And the fifth question is, INDRA has projected the GDP growth rate of India from financial year 2021-2022 at what percentage? And the options are A. 9.4, B. 9.2, C. 10.1 and D. 9.6. And the correct answer is D. 9.6%. And the sixth question is, Who has been appointed as Central Vigilance Commissioner? And the options are A. Sanjay Kothari, B. N.S. Rao, C. Kuldeep Singh, and D. Suresh N. Patel. And the correct answer is D. Suresh N. Patel. Suresh N. Patel has appointed in the place of Sanjay N.S. Rao was selected as first Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India. The CVC is not controlled by any ministry or department. And the seventh question is, JSCA has signed an MOU with which organization to set up International Cricket Stadium in Bokaro? And the options are A. HAL, B. National Academy of Delhi, C. SAIL, and D. BCCI. And the correct answer is SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, whereas JSCA means Jharkhand State Cricket Association. And the eighth question is, encrypted messaging app Wickr has recently been acquired by which company? And the options are A. Amazon, B. SpaceX, C. Facebook, and D. Microsoft. And the correct answer is A. Amazon. And the ninth question is, who among the following becomes the first women cricketer to be banned by NADA? And the options are A. Manju Yadav, B. Radhika, C. Anshula Rao, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Anshula Rao. Anshula Rao becomes the first woman cricketer to be banned by NADA. She is from Madhya Pradesh, whereas NADA means National Anti-Doping Agency. And the 10th question is, which of the following has successfully flight tested new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile Agni P? And the options are A. Indian Army, B. Indian Air Force, C. BSF, and D. DRDO. And the correct answer is D. DRDO. From APJ Abdul Kalam Island of the coast of Odisha, it was tested. Agni P ISA, new generation advanced variant of Agni class of missiles. It is a canisterized missile with range capability between 1000 and 2000 kilometers. And the 11th question is, which state has announced a grant of 3 crores to the Olympic gold medalist? And the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Haryana, C. Assam, and D. Delhi. And the correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. For the gold medalist, it is 3 crore rupees, and for silver medalist, it's 2 crores, bronze medalist 1 crore, Government has given 5 lakhs to 7 sports person in the state for participating in Olympics. And the 12th question is, who is the author of the book titled Fiercely Female, The Dutty Chand Story? And the options are A. Indira Nooyi, B. Sandeep Mishra, C. Ravi Shastri, and D. Ruskin Bond. And the correct answer is B. Sandeep Mishra. The 13th question is, who among the following won the highest civilian award of Mongolia? And the options are A. Roni Skrivala, B. Divya Gokulnath, C. Rajnath Singh, D. R.K. Sabharwal. And the correct answer is D. R.K. Sabharwal. He won the highest civilian award of Mongolia, the Order of Polar Star. And the 14th question is, according to Cost of Living City Ranking 2021 released by Mercer, which city tops India's most expensive city? And the options are A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai, and D. Bangalore. And the correct answer is A. Mumbai. Mumbai remains India's most expensive city at 78th rank, dropped 18 placed from last year. And the 15th question is, who among the following inaugurated 63 bridges built by BRO in 8 states? And the options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Ramnath Kovind, C. Rajnath Singh, and D. Narendra Singh. And the correct answer is C. Rajnath Singh. So Rajnath Singh inaugurated 63 bridges built by BRO in 8 states, whereas BRO means Border Road Organization. And the 16th question is, which of the following university launches free education scheme for poor students? And the options are A. University of Delhi, B. University of Madras, C. University of Hyderabad, and D. University of Mysore. And the correct answer is B. University of Madras. The annual income of the family of the applicant should not exceed 3 lakh per year. And the one-liners today are: Pankaj Tripathi becomes brand ambassador of Narcotics Control Bureau. Jan Shafiuddin Ahmad takes charge as new army chief of Bangladesh. UK's former finance minister Sajid Javid appointed as health minister. Rafael Nadar's birthday to be celebrated as National Tennis Day in Spain. And Pamela Melrose sworn in as the 15th NASA Deputy Administrator. Gujarat government announced a subsidy of up to 1.5 lakh on purchase of electric cars. Maharashtra tied up with UK to strengthen the startup ecosystem. Indonesia becomes India's largest crude palm oil exported in 2020-2021. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.